If your credit starts with a 5 or worse, a 4, don't panic. I want you to know that you are not alone. But if you're serious about getting your money right, getting your first house or next house, or buying a car, or even qualifying for a business loan, you have to fix your credit. And I'm about to show you how to do it. But first, I'm Damon Moore. Fixing your credit is not about magic, it's about math. Your credit score is made up of 5 things, more or less. Your payment history, your amounts that you owe, your length of credit history, your credit mix, and new credit. It's important to know what factors into that score, because if you know what moves the score, then you know what to fix. First, pull your credit reports, all 3 of them. Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. If you need addresses, then go to the description in this video. I've got you covered. You can get them for free at annualcreditreport.com. Take a look at them. Look for late payments, collections, charge-offs, accounts you don't recognize. Dispute any errors immediately. And if you've got identity theft issues, then freeze that credit ASAP. Now, here's where most people mess up. They focus only on deleting bad stuff, but they don't add any good history. What you should be doing is building some positive credit. So do this. Get a secured credit card. Put a couple of $100 down, but keep the balance under 10%. Get someone else in your family who's got good credit and ask them if you can be an authorized user on their account. Use your rent or utilities to show that you're paying in a positive way. This is positive fuel the credit score needs. Next, handle collections strategically. If you've got collections, don't just blindly pay them. First, contact the collector and ask if they will do what they call a pay for delete. That means you pay, they delete the account from your credit. If they don't delete, negotiate anyway. Some payment is better than none, and settled accounts look better than unpaid accounts. Now that you've done the hard part, for the next 30 days, keep your balances low, pay everything on time, and don't open a bunch of new accounts. Monitor your credit score with apps like Credit Karma or MyFICO. In 90 days, most people see a huge point jump, especially if there were errors on the credit report. Fixing your credit is not about impressing people, it's about power, financial power. When you fix your credit, you get better interest rates, lower insurance premiums, more approval options, and you stop living at the mercy of landlords and greedy lenders. If you're serious about getting your credit right, getting your cash right, drop a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know where you're coming from. And if you want more information, then hit the like button, subscribe, and share this information with people who can use it. Take care.